In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out whether Smartsheet Data Shuttle is included in your plan and how to decide if it's the right tool for your workflow. If you're trying to understand whether you already have access to Data Shuttle, the first thing to do is open the Smartsheet pricing page or the specific Data Shuttle page on the Smartsheet website. This is usually the fastest way to get an official overview of what's included in each plan. As you look through the information, pay close attention to how Data Shuttle is described, because availability can vary depending on the type of subscription your organization has. Next, check whether Data Shuttle is actually included in your current plan. Some Smartsheet features are bundled into certain plan levels, while others may only be available as add-ons or through higher tier options. This is why it's important not to assume that a feature is available just because it appears on the website. Take a moment to compare the plan your company uses with the plan details shown on the pricing or product page. While you're reviewing that information, also look to see whether Data Shuttle is listed under advanced capabilities. In many cases, tools like this are categorized separately from core features because they're designed for more automated or specialized workflows. If you see it mentioned in that section, that can be a clue that access may depend on a more advanced subscription or a custom package. If the website information still isn't completely clear, the next step is to ask your Smartsheet admin whether your account already has access. Your admin is usually the best person to confirm what your organization has purchased and whether the feature has been enabled for users. This can save time and help you avoid guessing. If you notice that the pricing is quote-based instead of clearly listed, then you'll need to contact Smartsheet Sales for confirmation. Quote-based pricing usually means the exact cost or feature bundle depends on your organization's setup, size, or needs, so sales can give you the most accurate answer. It's also helpful to compare Data Shuttle with doing imports and exports manually. If your current process is simple and only happens occasionally, manual work might be enough. But if you regularly move data in and out of Smartsheet, automation can make a big difference. Use Data Shuttle when you need automatic data upload or offload workflows. That's where it becomes especially valuable because it reduces repetitive manual work and helps keep your data moving consistently. By checking your plan, confirming access, and comparing your workflow needs, you'll be able to decide whether Data Shuttle is available and worth using.